Here's our next winter project. Complete home renovation. It was time for an update. And in addition to the renovation, no pun intended, this be a nice sized kitchen addition. And then in between the two houses, we're going to build a 4-season breezeway connecting the two. The addition out back is going to be a large kitchen addition / living room with a sunroom, and where the machine sets is going to be a nice deck. And we're going to make the front of this home mimic the front of this home with a 24x8 gabled front porch. Except on this home, although it's going to look very similar, we're going to run through and put new Versetta stone 3 feet up. And in between the two homes here will be a 4-season breezeway. Radiant heat in the breezeway in the home. Right now it doesn't look like much, but after this winter, Great Bend will have gotten a whole lot nicer.